Hello everyone, my name is Yograj and so basically I've been a data engineer for 4 years and so what I'm trying to do now is because most of the data platforms are like moving into the data Python and like Python programming languages. So I wanna understand more about this Python programming language. Also, although I have like basic knowledge of these technologies, I want to improve my skills. So I'm starting this. I thought I'll start with like lead code programs and so once I thought I started once I thought I'll start with this. So I decided, okay, yeah, maybe like let me also like do YouTube videos so that like if any recruiters wanna watch, like if someone wanna like know my skills. So yeah, I thought like if I could share if I could share my screen and do the prompts with them, so I'll be able to like better outreach my skills to people. And yeah, that's why I'm doing this. And so I have to warn you that I'm not really entirely a professional in technical Python like programming skills, and I will be doing this, but there may be times where I'll be stuck with at some point, even though it's like a very easy step, but it will be hard for me. But let me try and do this, and I hope like I'll be able to solve at least like 2 to 3 problems in a video. And look, let me share my screen, and here we go. Okay, so I'm starting with the basic lead code problem, which is twosum. This is the first problem which comes to us in lead code in terms of easy like difficulty level. And so basically what we have is a list and target is around 9. Like, so you need to output like because it has like exactly one solution, so we need to like output just that. So for me, to solve this problems, I would approach it like first things you need to do is have a list to equal to this a list, and then for I in range len of num s, which is the step source, then j in range length of num s, then so you need to append it to list2 list2 dot append of I list2 dot append of j. But then we also need to ensure these two are not available in already existing in the list. So I would say if I not in list 2, if j not in list 2, go with this, and then after this is done, you just have to return list 2. Let me see if this works. Oh, I didn't put the if I not numbers, right? Numbers of I plus numbers of j whole thing in brackets. That is called target. Then execute all this. This should work. It's working now here. That's cause and I'm articulate. Check. Okay, so it's working now. I hope this will be the problem. I'll be able to solve this. Let me see if it passed. Oh, it did pass all the problems. So I hope it's like it beats 5%. So like I'm at the bottom, 95th percent bottom. But so if I could, let me see one of the solutions. So like I'm not going to be sharing that, but okay, so the solution, and instead of appending this, so what I can do is just because since it has like the description already shows us that it has exactly one solution, so that so we can do something like return. Uh, I mean, check this. If it does not, then return off empty. Just gonna do this because like, I'm new here and I don't want to mess things up. This should work fine too. Hoping. And I'm not equal to J. Okay. This should be faster than my previous code. Let's see. Hmm. Ah, still the same. And this is taking longer than expected, but okay, let me see what solutions which I did. Application understood. And this is the one I did. You know what? Yeah, this is in Java. You know what? This is fine for me for now. At least for the first problem is fine. Okay, so let me go to the second problem now. I hope it's like the video is not too long, which is palindrome. Um, I don't remember exactly, but so there was a like when I was in bachelor's, I did this, but there was a thing like a rev zero, then you do while n is equal to zero, and n greater than zero, you can do something like in modern. So let me see. Let's say the number is like 121, simplest number. So we need the one here first. So it would mean like if it's like modulus of 10, then it would give us 1. So rev has 1 now. We go with, now we need a 2, which is, what do we get 2? Rho is equal. Hmm. I can do this probably like from a different perspective where I can convert it into string. So like I'm gonna go with string one is equal to str of x, y is equal to x dot reverse, then if x double str1 double is equal to x and x y, return true, else return false. This will work. Okay, if it doesn't have a reverse function. Oh, let me try the old method because the string does not have a reverse function. Then y is equal to x. Let me see. Reminder is equal to 0. Am I n is like the value for now, and then greater than 0. We want it to become less than 0, then we can reminder is equal to pi divided by 10. Or divided by is the modulus of 10. Okay. And then, so we got the 1, and then we need to get the 2, which is like, how do we get 2? It's something like reminders, because we're going to add this, so it's 20, not 2. We're going to get 21, 21. So this reminder, which is 1. So, y minus reminder, which became 121 minus 1 plus solution. We haven't done this, so I'll stop sharing the screen for now. And remember the logic. Okay. Let me share my screen now. It's basically the same thing. Batch great black and into 10 as x mod 10. Yeah, and then like it's the same thing, but and then you do um you divide it by 10 every time. So yeah, that should work. Return twice to reminder. That should work. Yeah. Number behaving is x. Why is this? You can say, okay, x is not 0. Okay, then go here. X is greater than 0. Yeah. So reminder is 0, 0 into 10 is 0 itself. So, and then x divided by 10 is 1. So reminder became 1. So x squared get divided x squared divided by 10. So it became like 121 divided by 10 is 12. So the remainder is 1 now. So remainder into 10, which is 10 plus x mod 10. 12 is 2. So it became 10 plus 2, 12. Remainder became 12. So next mod 10, 12 is 2 plus 1. Sorry. So this became 1. And then remainder is 12 to 120 is 1 mod 10 is 1. So it's 121. Remainder became 121. Then x became 1 divided by 10, which is 0.1. But then it doesn't give you like, because it's a numeric integer value, like it doesn't give c 1.1. So it became 0. Then like it became c, yeah. So yeah, y, which was our copy of that, became y double is equal to reminder. So it should work. Oh yeah, because like I'm gonna this inside the, yeah. So I just see the solution for palindrome. Ah, scared now. Right, right. Let's see. And let me go to this. Let me do the third problem. It's Roman to integer. Hmm, this could be fun. Oh yeah. X values. Then Okay, now we are in a string. That's good. Mm, this became 3, this became 58. Okay, so what I wanna do here, I think about it. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me just write it. So that I have now I know what to do. So it's became 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 10 is x, so it became 9, 10. So if it's 20, it's xx is 19. XB11 is 111 is 18. Yeah, okay, good. I need to first I need to do this. So let me create a dictionary. That's good. Then go like I. So value of I is 1. Then go I. Value of y, this is 2. And then I. Value of 3 is 3. Because like we're gonna be looping every one of the values, so we can choose something like, because I is already of this one, we can just use this and go like v 5 and comma x and 50 c 100 e expanded m is 1000. Okay, we have the list. So now what we want to do is just find the sum for this. For the list is S. I'm on and I was can say like per character in yes. So I also need like a value for sum. It's called sum is equal to 0. So sum plus is equal to for each character in yes, sum plus is equal to list dictionary. What was the dictionary name? Big one. Take one of like print sum. Why? Because I mean yellow like it's a function, it's an inbuilt function. I don't want to mess with the inbuilt function. Hmm. Let me just a from dictionary Python. Dot get method. So we can use to dict dot get of character. Let's go with this. This should go up. Sorry, I say the value there. Just this instead of print, I can just do return. This one is 3 good. Yesterday was 58 LV. So MCMX. Okay, now we have, okay, yeah. Now I think so. We are done with all of this because like the last was 4, but because it gave sum as 1 plus 5. So yeah, so 4 is there, 9 is there, not 10. So I think it's going to be coming like 14x. I mean, for that is like 9, 4. It's going to be coming for 9, and then like 5 every time, like 14, 19, 24, 29, all those values. So what can I do? So like whenever like so because it's like 6, 4, and then first I'm gonna consider only like 4x IV, which is gonna be 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, something like this. So what I can do is instead of this IV, I have to like give it as value 4. So but because like the for loop here like takes only one character, so what can I do? Is a substring in Python. Oh, we have a replace method. That's one. So I'm new to programming. Okay. So okay, let me just do this. This y is equal to this. I just want to do this. Y dot replace. I hope this works like this. High B. But for like let me see how the okay, it was like restore replace hello with hi, in this case like hi. Okay, so instead of this I can say hi. This should work fine. 4. One more string, so like I think this should work. The total was like 2114, so like if it's like yes lesser, so like this is working fine. Now again like 4 is same thing like 9, so it's gonna be 9. For 9 it's gonna be 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, same like same thing. So it's gonna be like I wanna replace that with replace. I hope this works like similar like listen, I just wanna go with ix, replace that. So what is some 2 Was there an IX here? There's no IX here, but so like we won't know. Right, yeah. Oh yeah, but then again, like 9x by it's like 4, 14, 24, 20, 19, 24, 29, 34, 39. And then it became like 99. So that's what was the value for m. I think x 10, 100. So L is for 50. So like I had to do for 49 as well. Then I would like to replace of L I sorry, then this becomes 49. So I'm sure like I'm sure I'm not doing it wrong, but not doing it right. But let's see. I see became 99 dot replace of no, we have to do D. ID. All right. So, 999. It's not a comma. It's a comma here. Okay, this was the patient for. Okay, let me comment it out and like sit out. Oh, because like I got it, I got it, I got it. Because like this four, because it's like checking in dictionary and just like this four is not in dictionary. So like instead of this, I can just go like this, and then I can go. This is 9. I can go like this. Sorry, this. I can go sorry, 49. What's 49? Just x x x x. This 40, 45. It's percent 48, 49. All caps. Sorry. 99. Go back. X L X X X X 5 1 1 1 1 and then 499. Just D. Okay. C C C C and then L X X X X B I. Hmm. There might be an issue with this logic because like I think if this goes further than this, like it was gonna be really long. So it's 999. So what can I do with this D? And then plus 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. 950, 960, 970, 980, 990, 995, 996, 997, 998, 999. Okay, let's do this. It just works. Oh, it's just the value. This should have worked, but I think this. Okay, well, let me see this value, which is wrong. This MCM. Let me go this. CMC, which is M is 1000. CM. Okay, became 900. Oh, yeah. So, oh, yeah. So it's gonna be. Just. So, yeah. Well, so I have to do with this CM. So CM is 900. So, like, just choose a place of CM and replace it with M is 1000, CM is 900. So I'm over D, C, 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 C. X is 10, C is 100, so it's become 90. X and 90, so okay, I have with XC as well. Dot replace XC. Uh, 90, just 90s. LC, no, C, LXXX. So that became 90. And obviously, 4 is there. So this is work. Mm, that's out solutions. Okay. And happens if something don't have a
అన్నం పెట్టారు అన్నం పెట్టారు అన్నం కోసం చూడండి దీంతో అన్నం లాస్ట్
this is using the same value, same.
అది ఒక దాంట్లో వేసేసి అది పెట్టారు అది తింటా అదొక దాంట్లో వేసి ఇది ఏం కాదు కదా ఏం కాదు మొత్తం తీసి ఇది కూడా ఏం కాదు కదా ఏం కాదు మొత్తం తీసేసి
So
ఒక
I
దాంట్లో
was
వేసి
working
తిన్నాక
on that. I didn't assign it. Something like this. This 7,000. This 1,000. And then C. Smart, but I already have that. X. Cities. What? Okay, I see. CD. Place of CD. Six. Mm, 3,000. Excel. Mm, 6. And solved. That's it going to be for my first video. I just did 3 problems. I'll do the other 3 problems later.